Have you ever spoken English confidently and suddenly realized you made a mistake? Maybe you said everyone are happy, or did you went there and immediately your confidence dropped? The truth is, making mistakes while learning English is completely normal, but repeating the same mistakes again and again that slows your progress. So in this video, I'll show you practical and realistic ways to reduce your English mistakes more naturally and speak more confidently. So hi everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my channel FluentSpire. And in this video, we are not going to talk about perfect English, but we are going to talk about better English. English that becomes clearer, more natural and professional day by day. First, stop translating every sentence. One of the biggest reasons that we make mistake is we translate every sentence from our mother tongue to English, and that creates confusion in English grammar and even sentence structure. For example, some people say I'm having two brothers, but correct is I have two brothers. So stop translating words to words and try to noticing people how naturally English is spoken in interviews, podcast, and in conversation. That will help you to reduce your English mistakes. And second, analyze your own mistakes. I have seen that some people they watch English content every day, but they never analyze their own errors. They consume English content, but they never focus on what mistakes they are doing. So, not just focus on listening, try to analyze your mistakes, what you are saying. So, that is the important part. For example, you say he go to school every day, but correct is he goes to school every day. And similarly, we have multiple sentences that people most commonly they make mistakes here. Like everyone are enjoying the party, but correct is everyone is enjoying the party, or everyone have their own opinion, but correct is everyone has their own opinion, or people is waiting outside, but correct is people are waiting outside, or sometimes people say did you went there, but correct is did you go there. So everyone, everybody, we consider it as a singular subject. So we have to use singular helping verb like is or has. And people, we consider it plural. Like people is a plural of person. So in plural, we will use plural helping verb like people are. People are waiting outside. And similarly, like if you say did you went there, so that is incorrect. And correct is did you go there. So with did, we always have to use base form of the main verb like go, not went. And the third is start recording yourself. So this is one of the fastest ways to reduce your English mistake. What you have to do, record yourself every single day just for 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes. And then start trying to listen your videos carefully. This will help you to analyze or to notice your own mistakes. Like you can say your grammatical mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, where you have taken unnecessary pauses or filler words. So this will help you to reduce your English mistakes. And focus on clarity, not fancy words. Yes, most of the people they try to use fancy words at the beginning. What I mean is, when they start learning English, they focus on advanced words that is not generally required at the beginning if you are very new to this language. This will create confusion while using that kind of vocabulary in your conversation. Maybe you feel difficulties. For example, you are saying, I would like to elucidate my perspective regarding this circumstances. Instead, you can use simple one, like you can say, I want to explain my opinion regarding this situation. So this will help you to reduce your English mistakes at the beginning. I'm not saying that you don't have to learn advanced words. You can learn, but gradually you have to shift. No need to, jump from, one step to the third step or like sixth step. You can take step by step and then you will see the differences. And the last is don't fear correction. Most people they don't try to speak just because of embarrassment. They feel what people will think about them, and we think about our mistakes very consciously. Like, what if people will laugh at me, or what if I will make so many mistakes? These kind of things we have in our mind. But remember these things. Every fluent speaker once was a beginner and they made mistakes too. So there is no this kind of comparison. Maybe you will make mistakes today or tomorrow, but gradually you will definitely be confident and you will reduce your mistakes. Even I am the personal example of this. You won't believe. If you are very new to this channel, I would advise you to watch my previous videos, like conversation videos. You will say how many mistakes I did in that conversation, and gradually I overcome this just because of practice. And I made up my mind that I have to reduce my mistake just by following these kind of practical tips. Like, first, what you have to do, record yourself, analyze yourself, and especially analyze your mistake, and try not to repeat it again in your next conversation. So these are the things that if you will do regularly, so you can definitely reduce your mistakes. Even as I'm saying that I'm the personal example, so definitely I reduce so many mistakes just because of helping these kind of practical tips. So that is in today's video, and I hope this will help you to reduce your mistakes too. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye and follow for more.